In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute yourself on Google Meet. Whether you're in a large meeting, a classroom setting, or just trying to reduce background noise, knowing how to mute yourself effectively can be quite handy. So, let's dive right in and learn how to do this easily and efficiently. First, imagine you're in your Google Meet session. You're all set, maybe with your webcam on and your speakers adjusted just right. But suddenly, there's noise in the background. Perhaps someone is mowing the lawn or a door slams shut. At moments like these, it's good to know how to quickly mute your microphone. Now, to mute yourself, you're going to want to look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Google Meet window. Focus on the row of icons you see down there. Among those icons, there is one that looks like a small microphone. This is your mic button, and it's your key to audio control during your online meeting. The next step is simple. You need to click on this mic button. This is typically done with a simple left click of your mouse or a quick tap if you're using a touchscreen device. By doing this, you're instructing Google Meet to mute your microphone. It's as straightforward as that. But how do you confirm that you're actually muted? To verify that you're muted, you want to look closely at the mic icon you just clicked. What you're looking for now is a red line or slash. If you see this red line crossing through the mic icon, that means your microphone has been successfully muted. This visual cue is important and serves as confirmation, providing peace of mind that your background noise or any chatter on your end won't interrupt the meeting. If at any point you need to unmute yourself, for instance, if you're asked a question or you need to contribute to the conversation, it's just as easy. Simply click the mic button again to remove that red line, and you'll be back to speaking mode. You might notice that the red line disappears, letting you know you're no longer muted. Throughout your meeting, remember that you can toggle between mute and unmute as needed. This helps to keep communication clear and minimizes distractions for everyone involved. If you're using Google Meet regularly, you'll soon find this skill becoming second nature. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Consider using keyboard shortcuts for even faster control. On your computer, the shortcut Ctrl+D can mute or unmute your mic quickly, which is particularly helpful if you're juggling multiple tasks or focusing on different parts of your screen. There you have it. Muting yourself on Google Meet is a simple task, but an essential one for effective online communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you navigate your next virtual meeting with